is Muhammad Afir Zaid. My number matrix is AA212360. So now I would like to present about introduction. First is arithmetic progression. Is a sequence of number in order in which the difference of any two consecutive numbers is a constant value. It is also called arithmetic sequence. Second is geometric progression. Geometric progression is a type of sequence where each succeeding term is produced by multiplying each preceding term by a fixed number, which is called a common ratio. This progression is also known as geometric sequence of number that follow a pattern.
Hi, my name is Nur Atika Izzati binti Syamuddin and my matrix number is AA210949. Now, I want to talk about the arithmetic scalar table. First, facts. Vanessa started looking for a job and got an offer from a good company, and the company offered her 55,000 rupees per month with an annual increment of a fixed amount is 5,000 rupees. Ideas. First, calculate how much money she will earn in 5 years and calculate how long it will take for her to have 600,000 rupees. Learning issues. First, by using the arithmetic progression formula, can we determine Vanessa's salary in the 10 years she worked at the company? Second, by using arithmetic progression, we can determine the total Vanessa salary in the 10 years she worked at the company. Resource needed, related websites and reference book.
Okay, now I would like to present about Fila table for geometric progression. For the facts, first, 500,000 bacteria can fit on the point of a pin, which means it could make 506 with what can fit on the pin point. Second, bacteria reproduce by splitting in half. This kind of reproduction can make a small problem very large very quickly. For the third, 5 bacteria that reproduce every 15 minutes. Idea. To determine how many bacteria can affect disease for people. Second, to determine the reproduction of bacteria by splitting in half that can make the small problem become larger. Third, to determine the time needed for bacteria to reproduce. Learning issue. First, by using geometric progression formula, Tn equal to AR the power of in bracket n minus 1. We determine the total amount of bacteria that can grow in the environment for half day, which is 12 hours. Action plan and resource needed. First, by reference book. Second, build the questionnaire by discuss in group.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Fikram Izzah binti Jalaluddin and my matrix number is AA211859. Next, I will present for problem background. For arithmetic progression, the problem is, after completing MBA, a young lady was looking for a job. She got an offer from a very good company. The salary offered to her was 55,000 rupees per month with an annual increment of a fixed amount of 5,000 rupees. She expected a salary of 1 lakh rupees, which is 100,000 rupees. She wants to know in which year she will get 1 lakh rupees if she joined the company.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad bin Muhammad Sufyan. Number matrix AA210447. So today I want explaining about the first question is arithmetic progression. The question is, after completing MBA, a young lady was looking for a job. She got an offer from a good company. The salary offered to her was 55,000 rupees per month with an annual increment of a fixed amount of 5,000 rupees. She expected a salary of 1 lakh rupees, which is 100,000. She wants to know in which she will get 1 lakh rupees if she joins the company. For the first solution of this question, we must find the Vanessa's salary in the 10 years she worked at the company. So, formula we can use is Tn equal A plus in bracket n minus 1 D. So, we know that A is a first term. We can conclude is 55,000 rupees. N is number of term. That is a 10 years. And D is a common difference is 5,000 rupees. So we use the formula is T10 equal to 55,000 plus in bracket 10 minus 1 5,000. So the answer is 100,000 rupees. So when Vanessa worked at the company until 10 years, she get 100,000 rupees.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Noor Akmal Hafiz bin Norafandi. My matric number is AA210492. Question is find the total Vanessa salary in the 10 years she worked at the company. So the formula we can use is Sn equal to n over 2 bracket 2a. A is the first term plus n minus 1 times d. So A equal to 55,000 rupees, n equal to 10 years, d equal to 500 rupees. So the question of question 2 is S10 equal to 10 over 2 bracket 2 times 55,000 plus 10 minus 1 times 500. So 10 over 2 equal to 5 times 11000 plus 55,000. So the answer is 775,000.
For geometric progression, the problem background is 500,000 bacteria can fit on a point of a pin. Most people only have to eat 1,000 disease-causing bacteria to make them sick. This means the bacteria that could fit on that pinpoint can make 500 people sick. Bacteria can reproduce by splitting in half. Imagine 5 bacteria can reproduce every 50 minutes. After 30 minutes, 20 bacteria has been produced. In 45 minutes, 40 bacteria has been produced. After 1 hour, there will be 80 bacteria in total. In an hour and a half would grow a population to 320 bacteria. Furthermore, in 2 hours, a total of 1,280 would have been formed.
The first question for geometric progression is find the total of bacteria in 12 hours, which is A equals to 5, R equals to 2, n minus 1 equals to 12 multiplied by 60 and divided by 15. So n equals to 4 plus 1, which is n equals to 49. Sn equals to A in bracket R, the power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. So S49 equals to 5 in bracket 2, the power of 49 minus 1 over 2 minus 1.
Solution to problem number 2. Find the value of n if the sum of bacteria in a minute is 1 million. To solve this problem, we use the formula Sn equal to A multiplied by R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. the SN was given was 1 million bacteria, and our A is 5, and the R that we found is 2, and N is what we need to find. To find N, we just replace the formula with the information that we're given. After we replace it, we will get 1 million equal to 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. And then we rearrange it, and on the right hand side you leave the n alone, and then we get 1000 divided by 5 equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. And then we will get 200,000 equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. And then we will get 200,001 equal to 2n. And from this, we have to separate the power of n and the root of 2. So we use the log formula. We replace it as log 10 200,001 equal to log 10 2n. Then we will get log 10 200,001 divided by log 10 2 equal to n. And finally for n, we got the answer is 17.61.
Okay, last the part of the problem segment of the video, can the discussion and conclusion. Can I have learned we can conclude the arithmetic and geometric progression and use in our daily life to make future goals simple to analyze. Ada citation, for example, can calculate her annual revenue at that organization using arithmetic progression. Another example of an illustration, the number of bacteria generated is represented by the geometric progression. We could figure out how much our world cost. The rate at which bacteria divide in half determines how long it takes for the bacteria to split in half. So thank you. See you next time.